Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install Amazon Flex app. We will put a link in the description below for Amazon Flex. Also, we will put links for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and make money. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for Amazon Flex app. From the result, look for Amazon Flex with an orange icon. Then tap on the Get button beside it. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create Account. But if you already have an account, tap on Sign in with Amazon. Then sign in with your email address and password. To set up the app, make sure that you allow the following permissions. Then tap on Continue. Now enter your vehicle's information such as the year, make, model, and fuel type. After that, click on the tick box to confirm that it is the vehicle you plan to use to deliver. Then tap on Continue. And now you're added to the interest list. You'll get an email once an opportunity is available. That's how you download and install the Amazon Flex app. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.